Hello everyone, thank you for always stopping by to watch my tutorials. Someone who is content finds peace and joy by focusing on his current blessings. Today's tutorial is on how to cut and stitch a stylish flare skirt with band waistline. Please, you can subscribe, like, share with friends and family members, comment. You can also turn notification bell to get notified to see my next sewing tutorial. If this sound like what you need now, please keep on watching to the end and cut along with me, guys. So I have my floral silk fabric, 2 yards of it. So this is what I'm going to use to make my skirt, my floral material. So I'll be showing you guys how I'll be cutting it out, and now I'm going to fold it. So I'll be folding it in triangle form or flared form. So just keep on watching. So I've done that already. So since my skirt is going to have band at the waist, so I'll be subtracting 2.5 inches from my tape before taking the length of my skirt. The upper part is where my waist is. Then I'm going to place my tape there and mark 39 inches from my length. So that's the 39 inches from my length. So I'll keep on marking it round because it's a flare skirt, so I'll keep on marking it round as you can see me doing in the video. So you can see the way I'm marking it, and you can see the place that I placed my tape, and I'm holding it down so that the tape will not shift. So I'll keep on marking it round. Okay, so guys, it's a simple style that we are making today, and I want you to keep on watching this video to the end. So I'll keep on marking it round. So we are taking the length of our flare skirt, and don't forget we are making use of silk fabric. It's a floral fabric, very colorful. So the next step now is for us to take our waist measurement. So my waist is 26 inches, so I'm going to divide it by 4. So after dividing it by 4, I'm having 6.5 inches, so I'm going to add my allowance by 1.5 inch. So guys, because it's a flare skirt, there's no room for us to take our hip measurement. Okay, so I'm going to connect it. So that's what I'm pointing out. So I'm going to connect it now from my waist. Then I'm going to flare it out as you can see me doing in the video. So your own should look like this when making your own. It's a very simple style to cut. It's not complicated. So why not try to practice it after watching this video? You can cut it by yourself after watching this video. So I'm still cutting my skirt, and this is the front part of my skirt that I'm cutting. So guys, you can look for an opportunity to share what you have learned with someone else. You can do that with your family member. So I'm using my tape to check the flare that I have, and I have 21 inches. So this is the front part. We are going to also cut the back part after this. So I'm still cutting the skirt. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and you can also share it with your friends and family members. And please, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please, you can subscribe now. So this is the front part, and we are making use of a floral silk fabric. So we have our back part now to cut. I've folded it already in triangle form, so I'll just place my front piece on it. Then I'm going to place my zipper at the side, and I'm trying to arrange my fabric well so that I'm not going to shorten my measurement. And don't forget we are making use of floral silk fabric, so I'll just go ahead now to cut it out. Okay, so you can give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also turn notification bell to get to see my next sewing tutorial that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. Please, I want to hear from you. You can drop your comments in the comment section. I want to have a real conversation with my community. So guys, This is our flare skirt, and don't forget we are cutting the back part of it. So guys, I'm still cutting. So after this part, we are going to join the front and the back together. So please keep on watching this video and don't forget to share it with your family members. So now I'm going to join my front and my back. Before then, so I'm going to mark my waist. So my waist is 26 inches, so I'm going to divide it by 2. So after dividing it by 2, I'm having 13 inches. So that's what I'm going to mark now, and that's how I'm going to stitch it when stitching it together. I believe you are getting it, guys. So we are joining our body parts together. So that was why we divided our measurements by 2. So my waist is 26 inches, so I divided it by 2, so I got 13 inches. So that is what we are marking now. After that, I'll be connecting from my waist, then I'm going to use my hand to flare it out. Okay, so right now I'm going to join the front and the back part together. So this is how I'm going to stitch them together. So you can see that the style is not that difficult to cut and sew. If only you can follow the procedure that we use in cutting this style. It's very simple to cut. So guys, you can check my other tutorials that I have on my channel. The next step is the band. So I'll be folding my fabric like this before taking the length of my band. So my band length is 17 inches, so that's the 17 inches, while the width is by 3 inches. Remember, is 2.5 inches, but I'm cutting it by 3 inches. I'm using half inch to sew it. So you can see how simple it is to make this band that we are making. So after that, we are going to head over to stitch it together. Then I'm going to attach it around my waist area of my skirt. So first we are going to cut it out, iron it out, then we are going to stitch it before attaching it to the waistline of our skirt that we are making today. It's a trendy style that I want you to know how to cut. That's the essence of making this video. So I have my 2 bands together, so we are going to attach it now, then our skirt will be ready. I wish I can go on and on. Let's take one step at a time. What do you think? You can drop your comments in the comment section. This is our stylish flare skirt. I made it of floral silk fabric. It's going to have a simple top. We are going to learn how to cut that some other time. Please hit the subscribe button to subscribe, like and share. Turn notification bell to get notified to see my next video upload that will be coming up on my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.